You eat this every day. Your kids love it. It is cheap, it is tasty, and it could be feeding your cancer cells in your body right now. Welcome to Wellness Health Services Health Talks. I'm Dr. Joshua Derito, a family physician. I have interest in public health and cancer prevention and treatment. In this video, I'm going to expose some of the common foods that we trust that may be silently increasing our cancer risk. What you'll hear may shock you, but it could also save you from harm. So stay tuned and stay up to the end to learn more. We are going to look at some of the hidden crises and the rising cancer cases. What are some of the causes of this? The science, how some of these foods trigger the cancer. We are going to have real life examples and have the common danger list of some of the foods that we really cherish, but they could be harming us. And then we'll look at what can we do to change this. So we say that cancer on the rise, and it is a hidden crisis. Cancer is no longer a disease of the old, and that's a fact. More young people are getting it, and we are walking around with the risk factors within our house. So many more young people are getting breast cancer, colorectal cancer, stomach cancer, and even liver cancer. And according to WHO and the Global Can, which is the Global Cancer Society, diet is a major contributor of the rising cancer cases worldwide. So we are eating ourselves into disease, one processed bite at a time. So what are ultra-processed foods? Ultra-processed foods are industrial foods with additives, flavors, and the chemicals which you cannot even pronounce. And they are stripped of fiber, loaded with sugar, fat, and salt. And they have zero nutrition. So what are some of these ultra-processed foods that we have in our homes? Sausages, smokies, and also processed meats. We have also packaged snacks like crackers, available in big quantities, biscuits, and even some crisps. Then we have the instant noodles, which take 5 minutes to prepare, flavored yogurts, and then the sugary cereals. We have white bread, margarine, and the soft drinks. All these are available in our homes, but we do not know the dangers that they are posing to our health. So how do these foods cause cancer? We have the additives and the preservatives. Like nitrates in sausages, they convert into carcinogen in the gut. Then we have the excess sugar in some of these foods like soft drinks, which feed inflammation, and they also encourage tumor growth. Then we have what we call acrylamide, which is formed when frying or baking starchy foods, which is a known carcinogen. These are some of the byproducts of some of the frying and preparing some of these ultra-processed foods. And the studies have shown that the ultra-processed foods increases the cancer risk by up to 30%. And this is especially so for colorectal cancer, breast, and pancreatic cancer. And if you look at some of these foods, they have been, all the fiber in them has been removed. All the nutrients in them have been removed. So you end up with a substance that is just to fill your tummy and increasing your health risk. So these ultra-processed food increase your cancer risk, and they also risk your life. So their failures, WHO is considering classifying some of these processed meats as group 1 carcinogens because they have been shown to do exactly that. So let's look at some of the real life examples on a common Kenyan breakfast table. For breakfast, you have white bread, you have bluebird, and with tea with sugar. If you look at all of them, they are bread is very refined, has no fiber, has no nutrients. Sugar with tea is a big stimulator of insulin, and bread and bluebird has the long components of fats. Then you have lunch, you take chips with sausages or a smoking. Then you end up with a snack like soda, mandazi, or biscuits. Then in dinner you have white rice, chapati, and deep fried meat. These aren't treats anymore. They have become everyday meals, and this is what we are eating on a daily basis. This is the danger list. We have some of the common culprits in Kenya. Sausages and smokies, they are processed meat, and they are likely to affect your chances of getting colon cancer. We have refined white bread, has a high glycemic index, zero fiber. We have the instant noodles, which have high sodium, high preservatives, no nutrients at all. Then we have deep fried snacks, like the crisps that we have in the supermarkets. They have a high content of acrylamide and an excess of oil, which most of the times is the wrong types of oils. Then you have sugary drinks, which cause insulin spikes, obesity, and increase your chances of getting a fatty liver. How do you eat safer without having to break the bank? Replace white bread with whole grain bread or arrowroots. Swap sausages for boiled eggs, beans, or dengu. Drink water and not soda. Prepare snacks at home. You can use cassava, sweet potatoes, or fruits. Do not go to get your snacks from the supermarket. Learn to read the labels. If you cannot pronounce it, don't eat it. Cook more at home using natural and whole ingredients. What do we need to do to keep healthy? If you don't make the time for your health, you will be forced to find time for diseases. So today you have a choice. Continue eating brightly, or wake up and protect yourself and your family. Start by eliminating just one processed food from your home this week. Gradually move forward until you get to healthy meals. Share this video to protect someone you live. Remember that when you get sick, this is a report card you are getting of your lifestyle. So why not take charge and change the course when it is possible? Remember to subscribe and share, and also make comments on the comment section of this video to share your experiences with someone who needs to know the dangers of these ultra-processed foods. Thank you for watching. We meet in the next video. Thank you.